So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to link your charts on TradingView. So first of all, open any web browser on your computer and then search for tradingview.com. After that, you guys will have to click on products and click on chart plus. After clicking on this button, you guys will get transferred on this page. And now you have to click on this button right here, which is similarly to a square. Now click on it and then you have to click on symbol, crosshair and date range. And after that you just have to select the layout whichever you want, and after clicking on that layout you guys can able to link your tables or charts on your trading view. So as you can see guys, I cannot access that particular feature because I haven't the 30-day free trial or premium subscription based account. So you guys will able to do that if you have the premium based subscription account or if you have the 30-day free trial. So that's how you do it guys, and that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.